Okay, back again. I took a few minutes to find this Loctite tape. It's called Loctite Quick Tape 249, and this is a here you can see it. It's a blue product. So what we do with that is we just take the screw out. Take just a little bit of tape, like this. And we'll drop it on the table, of course. Okay. And I'm just going to wrap it on in the direction. See, I have it just on there. Goodness gracious. And you can see this, we'll just screw that in. Snug it down. Once again, take that out. Let's get a little strip of the tape. Again, we drop it on the table. This seems to be a mandatory step. There you go, I've just rolled it onto the threads. And snug that down. And there we go. All good. 1, 2, 3 more to go, and we'll move on to another set of assembly instructions.